This is the Gemini Jet 1/400 scale Alaska Airlines Boeing 737-900ER in the special livery Boeing 100 years strong. Alaska Airlines commemorated Boeing's 100-year anniversary with the special livery plane, which Boeing's anniversary occurred, I think summer of 2016 is when they released this. This is, in terms of detail, is a pretty nice looking plane, and of course it's Gemini Jet, so it has the winglets, the new Alaska logo, the special livery, and these newer models have the antennae. There's one over there, one over there, one on the bottom. The only issue I have with this model it is that I think they did it a little too dark. It seems to be too gray, in my opinion. And if you look at the real plane that this is, which is the registration number is N248AK. It's a very off-white, it should be. It's not this gray, because if you sit it next to another Alaska plane, it should look almost similar in color to the other Alaska plane, except the special livery, the special Boeing 100 years strong on the top over there. But if you look at this compared to another Gemini, let's see if I can show you. This is another Gemini Jet model. It's the same exact plane, the Boeing 737-900ER, except that the one on the right is the regular livery, and the one on the left is the special livery. And the special livery is, I think, too dark. Almost kind of reminds me of American Airlines. And you see how white the Alaska livery is. And I think the special livery, if you look at the picture on the real plane, it's actually a very off-white, but it matches almost to the regular Alaska livery, so it blends in pretty well, except for the special livery here on top. So I think it's a little too dark, this particular model. But other than that, it's a pretty model, but it would help if it was a little whiter, so that when I park these two planes together, they look like they're from the same airline.